Unit 3, Lesson 7. Track 12. Listen to 3 descriptions and match them to the pictures. 1.
They're small animals. They can only be seen at night. They sleep in the daytime.
What do they look like?
Well, when they're flying, they look like birds. But really, they're quite different. For example, they have big ears. Some of them look like mice.
Mice?
Yes, mice that can fly. I don't like them very much.
2.
They're long and thin animals. They can be found in deserts.
What else do you know about them?
They have long fangs with poison in. You can be killed if you are bitten.
They sound scary. I hope I never get bitten by one. 3.
They're quite big animals with beautiful grey and white fur.
Where can they be found?
They can be found in many places in the Middle East, Asia, Europe and America. Some people are scared of them, but there aren't many of them, and they do not like to live near humans.
I think they're beautiful.
Me too.